Hello, I want to talk about getting more done with the help of other people. Now, the issue is whenever you get together and you've got to bring people together in order to get something done, there are always going to be productivity problems. Because today, digital technology really makes business and anything you're doing related to business spontaneous. What do I mean by that? Well, something can happen where you need a team to work together today, and just as fast, a team may not be needed tomorrow. And then another team with different players will be needed the very next day. Now, those same teams and the individuals that work in them, they're working on tasks of varying lengths, and they could end today, they could end tomorrow. Everyone's working on something different toward a common goal. And in some cases, that team may have somebody who's leading it. In other cases, the project may have a leader. And so the question is, how do you collaborate? How do you work together with people and get things done most efficiently in this kind of environment? And now the standby for all of these things has been to use applications like Google Documents or Microsoft Word or OpenOffice to manage that kind of collaboration. We work on documents and we share the documents. And since anybody can access apps like these from any place and they're free to use, businesses and people generally rely on them to handle that kind of flexible collaboration. But because their purpose is to communicate information, they're not necessarily robust in providing a joint space to talk together and to make changes either in real time or asynchronously. In other words, they're part of the solution, but they're not always the whole solution. So, a key solution that's used by both businesses and individuals is the web application Trello. And Trello can really handle that kind of spontaneous collaboration. It's made for individuals that need easy to use and manage tools with the capacity to bring people together in complex arrangements. And it's made to communicate information on an as needed basis. So, in other words, you control the flow of information within the various teams that you work in. Now, Trello is used in everything from managing the sales and prospecting process to managing large, complex engineering projects. So, understanding this powerful application can help you manage your relationships to get more done. Now, to find out more about Trello, access the link you see on this page.